Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove watermark on CapCut. At first, open the app on your phone. Here we are on the welcome page. Tap on New Project to edit your content. Now, select and tap the video that you want to edit. Here you can edit your video by tapping on the various icons at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on Export option at the top right corner. You can see that the video has been exported without the watermark. Here you can see a small reminder on this page which suggests you to upgrade now. CapCut offers a premium subscription that removes all watermarks automatically. There is also an alternative method to remove watermark from CapCut. To do so, tap on the setting icon at the top right corner in Home page. Here you can see various options. Tap on App Default Ending option. Here, tap on Discard. Now you can see that App Default Ending option has been turned off. It is to prevent the watermark from appearing in future videos. And that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.